So today I'm going to do a little bit more work on my Take the A Train solo that I wrote for myself. And again, it'll be in the, if you want to, if you're a clarinet player or a trumpet player, it would work just as well. The range it only goes to the A on top, so you don't have to cross the bridge, is what I've been told it's called, to the next, the B. You don't have to do that, at least not on this one. So I wrote it for myself for that. But anyway, this is going to be a little bit longer. And I'm going to work on the end of, actually I'm going to start at the end of this and work backwards. So the first part is an enclosure. That's what it's called in jazz, an enclosure, that C is the target note. And so it starts E, B, D, B, C. So D, boo, D, boo, da, finally gets to C. So if you ever watched The Office and you heard Michael Scott say, about jazz players, why can't they just play the right note? Well, this is this is the technique of not playing the right note. It's called enclosures, but it's a little tricky for me. So I'm going to try this slowly. No, I didn't get it. Bee boo dee boo down. So that's the very end, last part of my solo. My tone is, I think it's getting better, but okay. I think this is a good practice tip. There's always probably a tempo that you can play a piece at. If you slow it down enough so that you can be successful, that's important. Add a little more. No, okay. Okay, so you get the idea. That's what I'm doing today. Thanks for checking in.